The recipe saving program is available in all Gaggenau ovens and allows you to create and name up to 50 unique recipes with up to 5 steps of cooking. This modern-day recipe box ensures that your favorite dishes will always be cooked in the preferred manner, even if the household chef is not in the kitchen. It also means if there are several steps in your recipe, the oven can be programmed to complete each step, transitioning seamlessly without intervention. There are 2 ways to save a recipe: recording or programming it. If you select recording, the oven automatically records the selected cooking modes and timings. And once you finish cooking, the recipe can be named and saved. If you select the programming option, you can program up to 5 phases of cooking, including setting the internal temperature using the core temperature probe. The recipe can be named and saved and called up as needed.